5 Best Tips How to Disinfect Your Office. Welcome to our FastKlean channel. Check out our videos. You'll surely find something useful for your day-to-day life. We've pulled together some of our best household cleaning tips and tricks to help you get a spotless home. The continued spread of the flu and a new virus further demonstrates the need for workspaces to be clean and healthy. Luckily, the act of cleaning and then disinfecting a surface dramatically reduces the chances of the infection spreading. While many organizations are moving to remote work, some companies work with proprietary systems or with sensitive materials that require employees, or shifts of people, to be on premise to get their job done well. As champions of great work experience, we want to help everyone stay healthy in the office while sharing common workspaces. Here are 5 tips on disinfecting an office. Number 1. Use a one-way wipe down. Wipe down a surface in one direction and don't go back over it in the opposite direction, because it will deposit germs that were just cleaned up. Routinely wipe down all frequently touched surfaces such as workstations, countertops, and doorknobs. Number 2. Practice color-coded cleaning. Color-code cloths for specific spaces so janitorial and custodial staff doesn't cross-contaminate. Don't confuse kitchen cloths with the bathroom. Number 3. Know what disinfectants can do. While there is a list of EPA-approved disinfectants, one easy-to-access solution is household bleach and water. The CDC recommends 0.5 tablespoons bleach per gallon of water. Good for floors and larger surface cleaning. 0.4 teaspoons bleach per quart of water. Handy for spray bottle applications. If you like our video so far, press the like button to let us know, and please subscribe to our channel to be updated with our new FastKlean videos. Number 4. Tech Disinfect. Don't forget to wipe down high-touch surfaces on an employee's desk, such as their keyboard and phone. And lastly, number 5. Heavily promote hand washing. Post hand washing and drying signs throughout the office, from the kitchen to the bathroom, to remind employees to clean their hands with an alcohol-based hand sanitizer with at least 60 to 95% alcohol, or with warm water and soap for at least 20 seconds. Dry hands thoroughly because germs spread with moisture. Using these guidelines, you can confidently help your staff navigate the challenges of this global public health issue. Watch our other cleaning videos below and find out the best ways to deep clean your bedroom like a professionals. Feel free to share our videos with other people, including your friends and family, so they'll get to know the best ways to improve their way of living. Let us know what you think about this video. Don't hesitate to drop a comment below and subscribe to our channel. FastKlean works in partnership with EcoBravo. Together we want to change the world. Check our descriptions below to see our favorite products and use a special code for a 10% discount when you order via our channel.